Welcome to How to Make Pancakes. For the first step, you want to gather your ingredients, which is a pancake mix, water, and a bowl, of course. But you may also want eggs, oil, or milk for your desired texture for the pancakes. The next step is to add all the ingredients that I mentioned to the bowl.
In your pancakes, you can also have add-ins like blueberries and chocolate chips to give your pancakes a little bit of a different flavor.
The next step is to mix the ingredients in a bowl, using a whisk preferably. This next step, which is step 4, is to warm up your griddle or pan for the pancakes. Before putting pancakes onto your griddle, use butter or cooking spray so they don't stick to your pan. The next step is to pour the pancake mix into your preferred size on the griddle. When the pancakes start to bubble, then you flip them.
Once your pancakes are finished, you can add any toppings you desire. I personally like chocolate chips the best, but the options are limitless.
Now the last step is to enjoy the pancakes.